So just around the corner from my apartment, which is in this building, there's a very nice new industrial area become cultural centre. So yeah, this is an interesting playground, cool buildings, some industry, some modern stuff which seems to be Tallinn University, and the industrial quarters just beyond there, I think. So we've got a series of cool looking shops in this building. Compared with Tehas, it's a lot more raw. It all look like this. Yeah, part of this area is still actually used for warehouses and industry. A very strong hipster vibe about this place. More restaurants, more ping pong tables, that's an obligatory thing. Final shot of the Hjala quarter.